welcome back to another episode of Muddy Rascals. Today, got a bit of a treat for you guys. We got a 1973 Dodge Charger that we just pulled off the trailer. We picked this car up, or should I say my wife picked this car up, auction sale over in Alberta. She bought it sight unseen. I just went and picked it up. We literally just rolled it off the trailer, and we're gonna do a quick walk around of it. So, come on guys, we'll show you. So we got 1973. I believe the VIN number says it's a 318 car. I don't know if you can see that. We can throw a picture in. It's got bucket seats, tan interior. I don't know what else to say. The steering wheel comes off, so you know it's fast. You know it's like a race car then, right? I don't know what, he's got something going on here. Whoever had this car was obviously didn't know what they were doing. That's why it's a good car for me, because I have no idea what I'm doing either. So it's kind of, makes it good. We're like men for each other's basically. Anyways, there's this here, which this isn't even part of this car. This is part of a different car. Oh, wow, that's a pretty hole. Somebody knew what they were doing when they cut that one, eh? But yeah, so we got a column car, 318. Dash has got some patina look to it. Not actually that bad. It smells a little bit like rotten socks and old man. But besides that, it's good. The paint, somebody painted this car, and I don't know if they were, blind or what, but they painted all the inner fenders blue. They painted just overspray everywhere. They painted the rubber around the bumper, which I'm probably going to try to cut that and move it in anyways. Yeah, a little ding there. It's not actually that bad for rust. I mean, you can see that there's some, little bit right here, and I'm pretty sure they've got Bondo in this bottom fender here a little bit, but I mean, for me, I don't really care. We got this door opens. We're gonna have to weld those shut because it's a Charger, so you're supposed to go through the windows. That's just, everybody knows that. Anyways, we'll take a look around the front. We've got these little tiny tires that look like they're for a Sunfire on here. I do like that rim pattern, but not really care much for the size of that tire, so come close. What you doing in there? Eli? The bolts broke off?
Hey Eli, whose car is this?
It's Eli.
It's yours? What? What kind of car is it?
Of course it's Eli.
Yeah, but what kind is it? Do you know what kind it is?
Of course it's yellow.
It's a what?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. The inside's yellow. You're right. Pretty cool, hey? I don't know. It looks like a pretty big project to me. What do you think?
Yeah, there's definitely some work that has to be done on it.
So, should we tell everybody what you paid for this car? I'm sure they're curious, right? This is the real test. I got a magnet here. We're going to see how much of this is actually Charger and how much of this is actually Bondo. Because I'm kind of curious myself. Haven't did anything yet with the magnet, so we're going to see. Okay, so we've got magnet. Actually, surprisingly, that's actually a magnet all the way down. That's actually very surprising.
Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, for rust, that's actually not bad. We've got, yeah, that's actually pretty decent there. This is, rockers are usually bad. That's actually, oh, maybe a little bit right there. Oh, I think there's a little more than a little bit right there. Right here, we're good. Back wheel, maybe a little bit there, and then we're solid. We got stick all the way around here. So that's actually quite surprising, because I've seen some of these cars that are just rotten right up to here, and then you got to put this whole new piece on. So that's actually very surprising for the amount we paid for this car. I guess we can go along the back here and see. We've got, I think those are plastic actually. Yeah, those don't stick. So, oh, that maybe a little bit of Bondo right there maybe. Take a look on this side. This to me, you can see here where he put Bondo. It's scratched, it's rough. The paint is kind of, so there's a lot of Bondo in this corner of the car. You got metal there, and then you just start losing it the more you go down. Same with here, you can see there's Bondo definitely here. I mean, it's not a, oh, you want out? You can come up. Whoa, you're gonna fall out. There you go, climb on up. There you go, good job. We'll show you guys what's under the hood. know much about Chargers, so I always wanted one of these. I always wanted the 69, 68, but I mean, come on, guys, nobody can afford them, right? So, anyways, here's what we got under the hood.
A whole lot of nothing.
A whole lot of nothing. But you don't need a motor when you got family, right?
I think it still needs a motor.
Anyways, so we got big gaping hole, no rad, no nothing. So I'm looking for a complete donor car we're going to throw in here. A little bit of rust on the inner fenders. I guess that would be the actual outer fender here. And here, and a little bit here and here. We're going to be, it's a project for sure. A lot of the wires somebody had snipped off here. And these are all just hanging here. So I don't know, that might be a huge nightmare. We're going to have to see. The hood is red and the car is tan. So this hood isn't original to the car, but who cares? That doesn't fit very good. All right, so what did you pay for this car again? You want to tell the viewers how much you overpaid?
I paid $3 grand at an auction sale for this.
$3 grand. So I don't know. Did she get took? That would be like what? 300 or 400 US probably, right?
Probably not.
Be pretty close to that. But I mean, I noticed too, we didn't show you the column. The key column has all been smashed out. I don't know if it was stolen at one time. I hope not, because yeah, but I hope you guys like it. Next video, we'll have a motor. We're doing some burnouts, so that'll be cool.
Will it wreck it?
No. Sit in the middle of the car. Kind of like, don't like sit right up there like that, and I'll take one leg and put it up on the bump. No, not like that. Oh my goodness, no. You're not a stripper, you're Daisy Duke. Put your leg like this, like this. There you go. There you go, like that. Yeah, spread your arms out. There you go. You're good.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
We got our very own Daisy Duke here on the front of our Charger. All right, guys, so these are my favorite features about the car as a woman. So, first of all, I mean, look at this thing. It's huge.
It's like the size of my pickup truck.
You come around here and it's got so much room in the back for kids and car seats and bags and diaper bags and, you know, all the stuff you got to take with kids. It's
a muscle car, woman.
Yeah, but we got 2 kids, so you're going to have to deal with that. It's got, I mean, you could fit 3 people in the front and 3 people in the back. Now that's impressive for a muscle car. Now, coming around the back,
This thing's like a ship on wheels.
Yeah,
check out, show them our awesome key there.
Yeah, so you got to stick this
Get in there, there you go.
back there, and then you just got to turn it. And yeah, look at this space in here. A lot of space. Like, this is nice. And there's not even that much rust.
I'll show them actually, because we didn't show them last time, the rust. So yeah, the one car we went and looked at, it was completely rotten out in here, and this was all like fiberglass and just nasty. I did notice that I should take my time here so you guys can see, but you can see like this is just surface. This isn't actually that bad. I can clean that up. There is a small hole right there, but I mean, like, I don't know. I think we did okay. And then there is some spray foam down here, which I did mention that side had a lot of Bondo in it, and a little bit up there, which I'm not sure what he was doing. What are you doing? It's got a trailer hitch, so we can pull the boat. Was that another feature you were going to add?
Yeah, you can pull a boat. I love the trailer hitch. I mean, that's pretty awesome. And yeah, so that's pretty much the features I'm very excited for.
Cool. Is it everything you wanted?
Yes. Well, I'm the one that bought it. Please let me know if I overpaid. My husband hasn't killed me yet, so I don't think I did, but let me know down in the comments if I overpaid on this car.
What are you gonna do? You gonna paint it orange or what? I'm just gonna leave it the color.
Well, you can't do the Daisy Duke pose without painting it orange.
That is true. You could do like the Richard Petty. That would be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Put the 40, what is he, 43? Put the 43 and a bunch of stickers, and I guess he's orange too, but we could cut that corner. Right on. Cool.
Yep.
Any more words of wisdom?
Nope, I don't know much about cars. I'll leave that to my husband.
All right, guys, we'll see you. Besides that, I don't know. I'm looking forward to working on it. I hope you guys are too. Catch you next time.